Are you looking for the best cabinet table saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cabinet table saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Grizzly G1023RL3HP left tilting cabinet table saw. If you are looking for a top quality cabinet table saw for a full range of woodworking applications, this beast from Grizzly should be worth a look. Grizzly is one of North America's best known manufacturers of power tools of this kind, and this is a name you can trust. Powered by a 3 horsepower motor, Grizzly's G1023RL table saw will make short work of whatever you need to cut. Even with the toughest woods, you are unlikely to find this saw bogging down. The whole thing is extremely well made and is built from quality materials. Everything from the precision ground cast iron tabletop to the cast iron handwheels and lock or the powder-coated paint finish lets you know this is a quality piece of machinery. We also like the oversized stop button, a useful safety feature, as well as the included Shop Fox Classic fence. This saw can cut to a depth of 3 inches at 90 degrees and 2 1/8 at 45 degrees. There's little we can find here that we don't like. We might complain that the dust shroud occasionally causes cutoffs to fall into the dust removal system, but this is not a big deal. We might also say that this is too big and too powerful for regular home users, but this is hardly a fair criticism, it's just a statement of fact. All in all, this is an excellent option for anyone who needs a heavy-duty and highly reliable cabinet table saw for professional level or high-end home use applications. If that sounds like what you need, you would do well to consider this Grizzly. Up next in the 4th place is the Grizzly G0691 cabinet table saw. This is another cabinet table saw from Grizzly, this time the G0691. This is actually a very similar tool to another table saw made by the same company, the G0690, but this one comes with an extension table that gives you a maximum rip capacity of 50. As with all Grizzly cabinet table saws, this product features heavy-duty construction from top to bottom. It includes a cast iron table top, cast iron trunnions, cast iron handwheels and locks and powder-coated paint, meaning this is a machine that will last you for many years to come. It is easy to assemble and incorporates a powerful 3 horsepower engine that will allow you to slice through just about any type of wood, including hardwoods, treated wood and more. We also like the easy glide fence system that makes setting up accurate cuts quick and easy. As with just about any product from this company, there's not much we don't like. One minor gripe would be the positioning of the off button. It's just a little easy to bump with your knee, and you might end up occasionally turning the saw off by mistake. Also, the dust extraction system is not quite perfect, and if Grizzly wants to improve its product further, this could be an area to look at. However, other than these small issues, this is another excellent product from a well-respected company. If you are looking for a cabinet table saw that will give you big cutting power and a large rip capacity, this should be high on your list of possibilities. The third product on our list is the SawStop PC175PF80 Professional Cabinet Table Saw Assembly. The main selling point of any SawStop product is the advanced patented safety mechanisms all of the company's saws include. Statistics for table saw accidents in the US make for sobering reading, but this saw can shut off the blade in time to prevent serious injury. However, while this is the outstanding feature of SawStop products, they are far more than just safer saws. They are also extremely high-quality tools in their own right, even without the safety features. We love the high level of attention to detail. Everything right down to the finishing has been done with the utmost care. This saw also features a rugged design that is made to last. For example, it incorporates a heavy-duty trunnion and an extra thick arbor for durability. It also incorporates a respectable motor that delivers 1.75 horsepower, plenty to slice through a whole variety of tougher woods. It also benefits from an advanced dust collection system that sucks up around 99% of the sawdust. On the downside, some people might find the so-called premium fence supplied a little disappointing. While it is fine for most regular work, it falls below expectations if you need perfect accuracy, disappointing in a high-end saw. Also, it can be expensive if you trip the safety mechanism by mistake. For example, when cutting damp wood, because you need to replace the cartridge each time. However, when cutting wood that might trip it, you can easily disable the safety. Overall, this is an outstanding table saw that also benefits from an industry-leading safety system. If you want a top-end cabinet table saw and also place a high value on keeping your fingers attached to your hands, this could be an obvious pick. Second on our list is the Baileigh TS1248P52 Professional Cabinet Table Saw. Here we have a professional-grade table saw, this time from Baileigh. One of the outstanding features of this model is the large 5-horsepower Leeson motor. This is much more power than many comparable table saws can deliver, giving you even more capacity to cut through all kinds of wood. This table saw also boasts a 52 inches maximum rip capacity, and with the included table extension, allows you to make a wide range of cuts with many sizes of lumber. One neat feature we like is the digital readout for the blade tilt angle. This makes it much easier to see than many manual readouts, allowing you to control the angle of the cut with great precision. When it comes to using this saw, you can expect very smooth, clean and accurate cuts. It's also relatively easy to set up, although, as with many of these larger saws, it might be easier if there are two people working together. One of the only downsides with this saw is the price, since it's at the higher end of the range for a saw in its class. However, for a high-quality piece of equipment such as this, you have to be ready to pay extra. Another small complaint we have is that the warranty is only for 12 months. We would have hoped that for something this expensive, you would be guaranteed for a little longer, although most people probably won't encounter any problems until well after the first 12 months. To summarize, this is a high-quality table saw that is designed for advanced hobbyists or woodworking professionals. If you fall into either category, this is a saw that should be on your list of possibilities. Finally, the top product on our list is the Fox W18193HP cabinet table saw. This cabinet table saw from Fox is another heavy-duty and powerful option that should be of interest to semi-professional and professional woodworkers. It incorporates heavy-duty components throughout and is built to last. For example, it incorporates a precision ground and polished cast iron table and heavy cast iron trunnions, as well as a powder-coated paint finish. We also like the safety features like the blade guard and the anti-kickback pawls that are designed to keep the operator as safe as possible. The blade guard is made of clear polycarbonate, which means the operator also has a clear view of what they are working on. Another positive is the powerful 3-horsepower motor that will allow you to slice through just about any type of lumber you need to. The saw is also easy to assemble, although it's easier with an extra person to help. Having said that, the instruction manual is not particularly helpful. The instructions are not clear, and the images are not so useful either. Another complaint we have is that the extension table is of slightly lower quality than the rest of the tool, although this shouldn't be a deal breaker since it still functions adequately. Overall, this is another option that will appeal to someone looking for a solid and durable cabinet table saw that will allow them to make a wide range of fast and accurate cuts. Well worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.